Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to change the language on, if you have a Sony projector, TV projector, and you want to change the language on it. I'll show you how to do it. So you're going to come over to your controller, you're going to hit the menu button, and you'll see it's going to open up this menu right here on your screen. And so from here, it's real easy. You're just going to, it's wherever it's white, right here is what you're in. So you're going to scroll down 1, 2, to this little thing here, and you'll see over here, you'll have the language. So you'll scroll over to the right, scroll down 1, and then you can click this, and then you can scroll through and pick whichever language you want. And then once you're done, once you click it, if you hit menu again, it will automatically exit you out of the window. So anyways, I hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching, and leave a like if it did.